don't know if you can call it complete, but there it is. 30 by 40 with the awning that I mentioned and the patio. So we got green, as you can see, to kind of fade into the trees and from the street. You can see it, but it, you know, it doesn't stand out like some other colors. So I already started bringing things up. I need to get a 100-foot hose, I think. Wash this off. I already blew it off. I'm gonna have to paint that. They put the trim on it today, and they left a mess. I can reuse some of that, maybe. Those steel. Thinking about, for now, putting my antenna telescopic pole right against there. I'm gonna get all kinds of reflection from this, aren't I, when I use this? So let's take a look inside. Brought up a couple chairs, swept it off. I need to get a hose and hose it down. But before we look inside, this is the back side. So yesterday we did not have the trim, we did not have the, what do they call it, the apex, the pinnacle. All right, this is it, the lone chair. We got 2 windows. I wish the door was over there, because if we make an office here, it's kind of gonna have to be cut off right there. Thinking about putting up some walls or something, but I've got these rafters, is that what you call them? Cross beams. Thinking about putting wood this way and putting stuff on top. I've got all this space, and it was all a mess, and I swept it out. About choked to death on the dust. So I call this the Beetlejuice door. If you remember in Beetlejuice, you step out and the sandworms are down there. It's a nice little fall for right now. All right, 2 windows. They welded these on. You can see it's partially welded. It's still good enough and all, but windows, I haven't tried opening them yet. So I don't have much battery left in my camera. I just ran out and had to get another one, 5%. I'm gonna wrap this up for now, and lots to do. Shelves are coming next. I've got to bring all my stuff out of storage and put it here. Still need the garage door, don't know about that yet. Put the stuff here, then put it on shelves, and then I'm gonna get that green grass and roll it out here, the grass carpet stuff. We'll take a walk around the outside. Really happy about this. It's actually warmed up today. It's quite warm in here right now. Yeah, and the next thing is electric. I've got electric on that side of the house. I need to bring something up here. I need a lot of power for the power tools I use, the woodworking tools and so forth. And on this side, I have this space here. As I mentioned, I'm gonna gravel it as much as I can. But that's gonna be a big job if I do it myself. I'm gonna order a couple loads of gravel. And I have this space over here. I'd like to put up like a fairly permanent, semi-permanent tent, and then put my lawnmower in it so it's not inside there wasting space. I know that I could take up space really easy, and then it becomes wasted space, so I'm trying not to do that. All right, more to come as I continue to build.